Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Fisher Space Pen. It's like called the Tech Touch Stylus or something like that. I think it's called the Tech Touch Stylus. And it's supposed to have a stylus on it. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Now, as with pretty much all the Fisher Space Pens, you end up with a Write Anywhere pen. Ooh, that's kind of cool looking. I like the red. Okay, so you have a little nub here. And you have a nub here. So you have double nubs. It's got a pocket clip. And, alright. Is the cap? This cap supposed to go on? Okay. So yeah, the cap fits over the second nub. I got a piece of hair on my gloves. Alright, so fits over the second nub. This is a Fisher Space Pen. And I think this is a Tech Touch, is what it's called. So it's not bad. It feels pretty good. I mean, it feels pretty good, you know, handling wise. I'll include a link in the description if you're interested in one of these. I don't think it's super expensive. I think it's maybe like 20 bucks on Amazon. Anyway, I'll include a link in the description. Now, I think when I was messing around before, I inadvertently discovered how to replace the refill. Either that or I discovered how to unscrew one of the stylus tips. I did not, but that actually solved the problem. So it takes a usual Fisher Space Pen refill, which isn't bad. Seems like a pretty solid pen. I mean, it has the two things that I pretty much hate more than anything else on a pen, and that's the little nubbins. But if you're gonna have a pen with the nubs on it, this one isn't a bad one, I guess. I don't know how current they are technology-wise, but it's not bad. I don't know. I know what I'd like, actually. I'd like this pen without the nubs. I think I can unscrew them. Actually, I guess you can unscrew it and remove the clip if you want to get rid of that. Is it going to go back on there? Let's see. I don't know. Well, another good thing, I guess, is assuming Fisher sells replacement nubbins, you can replace these if they ever go bad. I don't know. Kind of a cool little pen. I think overall, though, I'd like just this exact pen, only with not these things on the ends of it. But I like the color. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.